Well, hello everybody. I'm trying to fix this locomotive, but I have to put pieces on in sequence. So if you watch the other segment, you know this piece cracked. That's what happens with old trains, and cyanoacrylic glue, as great as it is. I think that's what it is, cyanoacrylic, but whatever the crazy glue is made of, even that can't hold engineering plastic because the plastic does not melt. So I'm putting this piece on. That's got to go on. That's got to connect to this. Right, so that's fine. But this, of course, it fits on easily because this is broken. You see? So what I'm thinking is the only way to do this is mechanically. I'm going to try to drill a hole . It is drilling, so slightly. This is hard plastic, man. Alright, it did it. We didn't hit the gear. Yeah, in fact, I think I'm going to take this off while I do this. Just because we missed the gear, but we don't want to go near it. See that little hole? Now, this makes me think, wow, I got to get a 3D printer with that prints an engineering plastic with a laser scanner. That would be so cool. That would be a childhood dream come true, to be able to make your own super part. Now, always when you're drilling something, even though this is controlled by hand, it's a very small drill, super sharp. Don't trust like, oh, it won't break through all the matter. You never know. Just because it took a long time to bust through on that side doesn't mean it'll take as long to bust through on this side. And if it busts through and your finger's on the other side, it's going to go right in there. And that's not going to feel too good. Alright, now we got two holes. Crazy, right? Now, I was thinking if I could get a staple. Yeah. Just got to find a staple, and then I can bend it, and we'll be good as new. I'll go find a staple and be back.